Hello! Today we're going to make a simple potato salad but full of amazing Moroccan flavors. First, peel the potatoes. Then, slice them and cut them into bite-sized cubes. Place the potatoes in a pot. Cover with cold water and add salt. Cover the pot, cook on medium-high heat until the water reaches a boiling point. Then reduce the heat to medium and continue cooking until the potato pieces become tender. Drain the potatoes from the water and place them in a bowl. In a saucepan, drizzle the olive oil. Once hot, add the grated garlic, paprika, ground cumin, lemon juice, and hot chili powder to taste. Then, of course, some salt. Mix and cook for a minute. Now, place the potatoes in the pan and gently mix them with the sauce so that every piece is well coated. Add the finely chopped cilantro and parsley and mix. Cook for a few minutes until the sauce has reduced. For more flavors, you can take a quarter of a preserved lemon, remove the pulp, and finely chop the skin. Add the preserved lemon skin to the potatoes, mix, and serve immediately. You can serve this salad hot or cold at any temperature. It is just heavenly. Bon appétit!